Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Morning. How you guys doing? Sneak attack. Sneak attack. What's it doing? I like that. Sneak attack. It's kind of like a ninja. Morning. Rika, Carl, Nathan, David. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys crushed NFP. I skipped out. What's up, futures farmer? Morning, buddy. Oh, you guys catch this repair short off 20? That was a good one. Good little cat sealer. Hey, what's up, dude? What's up, Simple? The only red folder news that I trade on evals is CPI on Apex, but I'm banned on Apex, so not anymore. What's up, Miss Cake? McDonald's coffee and biscuit, ready to go. Hell yeah, brother. That's a breakfast right there. Do a little stretch. Time to make some money. 6 minutes. 6:26. 6:26:40. There's one here. It's a downside. Little repair. Didn't get cleaned up. 237.25. So here's the plan, guys. I already told my Discord about it. Here's the plan. Here's my morning. This is what I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna look for a possible break to the upside, fake out, and we start moving down. We have a couple magnets. There wasn't a repair at 20 SRQ. There was a repair right here at 1375, and then you retested 20, and you could have taken that for a little cleanup there for 15 points. Cool, got your PDF. Try and learn. Thanks. That's right, futures farmer. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, I saw your message. What's up, Christian? What's up, Frank? PDF is at 8020prop.com. Yeah, so off morning open. I told the Discord. I'll say it again because we got more viewers. Looking for a break to the upside to maybe 80 or 66. Rejection off that, and I'll take a short. Do you have levels like 80-20 for GC? I do and I don't. I'm still working on it, but structure is the same. How do I get the Discord? And I've never used one. Discord is not for sale. That is something I'm not selling. Yes, sir. C7. I did. I end the day plus 5,000. It is what it is, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna ponder freaking a 10 mini short that just put on that, you know, it just got put on there. I didn't take that short. My own from my own doing, or maybe I did. Maybe it was my fault because I was spamming orders and then it eventually got on there. But a lot of people had that same issue. Morning, Harry. Morning, Merrick. American, I just told you that the Discord is not for sale, and it's not public. It's a private Discord. Not selling it. Did Lucid fix it? It's been a trade rate prop issue the past week. Very small time frame outages. What are you thinking? You know what? I've noticed that. It's like delayed fills, and it's on Lucid only. Have you guys noticed that? What's up, short time? Okay, 40K approved. Let's go, Scrubs. That's what I'm talking about, baby. $100,000 a month for Scrubs. Let's go. I'm putting a W in the chat for you, Scrubs. Let's go, baby. Man, I'm so proud of you, dude. A little backstory. Scrubs came from like nothing. Now he's doing $100,000 months. Hell yeah, buddy. I'm proud of you. Good morning. Why do you not like trade day? I got fun with them and made 5K. Should I take my payout and run? So here's the deal. I'm a big not to toot my own horn or suck myself off, but I get big payouts and they just don't offer them. It's the same reason I don't trade with my funded future. It's just not worth my time. Okay, 30 seconds still open. What firms are you actively trading with? With Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, Apex. Hopefully I get unbanned on Apex at some point. Hopefully everybody does. My Fund Futures rejects your payouts? No, they don't. They just and we're open. Ding 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 ding. They just, to me, they're a lunch money firm. Like, same thing with Trade Day. They're just not worth my time. Like, I can make $300,000 off Take Profit Trader in a week, and I can make, I don't know, like the max payout cap with my Fund of Futures is $100,000. It's not worth it. I tried for, there's that move higher we talked about. Let's see if we get that move to 66 and reject. Dude, God damn it. Okay, cool. You guys saw that, right? So that was my fault that but I mean, it was like to the fucking tick, dude. Like, Like that was perfect. The first entry was my fault because I chased it. That was my mistake. But second entry was that was the one I liked. Like that was perfect. We called that shit in the mornings. Move higher to 66. It literally tapped it and it rejected freaking 40 points now. 50 points. Can read freaking NASDAQ like a book, dude. Morning daily day trade. What's up, dudes? First time here in the live, start with your videos, and I hope to get a great experience from this community. Well, 80-20 is like the best, dude. Ah, dude, Fast and Furious 3 Tokyo Drift. I know, I love this song. It's a remix, it's not the original, but point still stands. Okay, let's see if we get move to 33.5. I might take that short if it doesn't drop these lows here. If it drops these lows, I don't like that. I already dropped the lows. So ideally what I wanted to see was a move to 33.5 and then a drop of this low, but now I kind of don't like it. I was an extra in Tokyo Drift. Let's go. I win. That's sick, dude. Glad to be here from Cuba, living in Miami and deep in trading, but not looking. But no luck with payouts, only debt for now, but not quitting. It's okay. It'll happen. I mean, everybody was where you were at. Okay. I'm not taking this 80 long. Might take 66. Might take 60. God damn it. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Dude. Oh, I missed 66 longs. That's the thing with streaming, nobody tells you. When you're like hyper you know, when you have so many entries in the day and you're used to kind of just focusing on yourself, this is what they don't tell you, is that, you know, a lot of these streamers, they're doing like 2 micros, 3 micros, that are completely fine taking 50-60 points of drawdown to make $100, whatever. I don't trade like that, so you know, it is what it is. It's part of the game. Hopefully you guys appreciate that. Like the stream, I really would appreciate it. Yeah, I took those 66. I wanted those 66 longs like right off the bat. Like drop 80, go to 66. It was this low right here too. Drop this low. This one. 66. Go back up. That was the setup I wanted. We still got a chunk of it. I won't complain. What a move, dude. The 66s gave like a combined 200 points or 100 some points. Messed up, almost blew. But you didn't though, right? Hopefully. Okay, good. Okay, we're retesting 80. So far the morning plan has been to the T. I mean, we tapped 66, we ran these highs, tapped 66, now we're making a move lower. I'm not fading this move lower though. Are you still short at 430? No. What ended up happening with your account yesterday? This is it. That's right here, baby. I ended up making 5,000 on that account. You know, a loss isn't gonna shake me up, even a couple of them. Next level 20. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, next possible fade is 20. I would wait for reaction though instead of just blindly fading. Did you figure out why those trades triggered? Oh, I think it's just a lucid trade evade thing, dude. Oh. It's the morning, dude. I don't need that right now. 335 across on the 10-minute. Let's see. Yes, it is. It is a cross section and it's a break of structure to the upside. But here's the deal. You know, we're heavy and we're kind of taking out lows. So let's look at it, right? Let's look what happens. But me personally, I'm not taking that long. Locked in day 2 on Fun and Next. One more day. That's a shop I need to go to. I made so much money on those Bolt accounts. I need to go back into it. So let's see what happens at 33.5. The wick does matter, C7, and I'll tell you why. Because if you look on the 200 second, it's kind of the like the breakout, like the failure. So there was that move higher, fail, 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 and then breakout above. So that's why it matters. It's just a magnet. Okay, now we have a cross upside. I'm gonna see if we reject here. Okay, let's go, dude. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Cross section entry short. That's why I took that. You saw that, right? Cross section, break of structure, cross section, entry short. Those entries are what I freaking live for, dude. That's what 80-20 is all about. Zero risk, all upside. Cross section is just the cross section between two breakdown candles. Taking kids from school. Cool, man. Enjoy. Drive safe. Tell your kids I said hi. Thank you, Miss K, for the reminder. Please hit the like button. This is a 150K account. So yesterday I made a mistake. I started thinking about why did I take more trades when I was up like 2,000 on the day? Because usually I'm done, right? And I started thinking about it. Why? And I think it's because I want to put on like a performance for the chat. But ultimately, that's not what trading is, dude. You know? How many points do you generally target on a trade? For a trade like I just took, about 15 points. let's see. Turret Buddy, hey, quick question. How do you get second chart on mobile app? Right here. You go to candles, go bar type, seconds. You put bar size 200. That'll give you a 200-second chart. I risk 10 points. What do you do rest of your day after trading? So I started taking my health seriously, so I started freaking working out, eating good, I cook, I hang out with my wife. Trading is pretty cool, dude. I find changes sometimes are buggy on the app. Yeah, you have to like exit out. 5386 is a repair zone. No, it wasn't. There was no repair there. Guys, a repair is just a wick, candle with no wick when it starts. Like this candle right here, this is a repair. So I'm 100% it's gonna get cleaned up. Like right now. There, it got cleaned up. So if you took a short off the failure of breaking this high right here, targeting the repair, that was your Cassia. I mean, there's your 10 points. This is trade bait. Is the break of a cross section only valid the first time? I only take it the first time, yeah. It's not a break, it's just a retest. So you had this candle move down, you had this candle move, so you built out a cross. This would be your cross right here. And first tap into it gave like 20 points. That's all you want, right? I mean, we're not chasing 100-some points. Putting on some size and we're chasing Cassios. So Coach Fred, when that happens on the app, you have to like you have to close it and open it back up. That's the fastest way. Don't even bother trying to fix it any other way. So no crosses here, no real structure setups. No repairs to the upside to fade. This might just grind up, and if it's a grind up, I am not a fan. Does every cross work or what? Oh man, I'd be a billionaire if every cross worked. Technically, we have a cross here at 16. Break of structure. Am I taking it? No. Giving up on saying those lucid losses on eval. Get 3 new TPT 50Ks. With code 8020, gang, I hope. So that, I mean, that cross failed considerably, you know. But that's what Edge is all about, dude. Just knowing with time what will work and what won't. You know, the velocity of the move. Are we trapping late shorts, etc. So right now, what I think, you know, we're just trapping. We trapped late shorts after a break of these lows. We squeezed them out. Now let's see if we break lows again. If we do, I'm a fan of short side into this repair right here. 37.75. Just melting, dude. Holy smokes. Might take a long here. Oh, Lucid's doing that thing again. My orders aren't going through. Now they're gonna lag, and I'm gonna get 2 random orders Middle of the day. Fucking A, dude. It's only goddamn Lucid. Yeah, it's retarded, dude. Like, gotta relax. I'm like spamming cancel all and exit to hopefully not have random orders just pop up as the price goes against me. Call AJ. So I guess it's not Lucid then. I guess it's Tradeabate. Great, dude. What the what the heck was that? Okay, I mean, I'll take it, but you guys saw that, right? Just like an instant 300. Okay, cool. Okay, well, that was entry cross section entry on 66 longs, but I mean, I wish I could show you exactly the trade, but it was lagging. But I'll take it. So that's 1,000 on the day, 1,120. We'll take that. Not a bad session. Yeah, I recovered after yesterday. End of the day, up 5,000. I would show you a picture, but I have to scroll on my phone, and my anyway, I'm not. my wife wouldn't like that too much if I just start showing pictures. You can open Tradeabate web and show us the entries. Not for the day, no. Are you copying counts? Yeah. Do you pay attention to imbalances? There's a gap between two candles. It's so rare that it happens, but yes, I do, and I'll show you a prime example of that right now. Right here. Sorry. Right here. There was a gap between these two candles. How they opened. That's why, one, it was a magnet to the downside, and also a reason I wanted to take a long off the break, because I figured it would want to retest back into it. Do you trade the same setups on metals as well? Yes, ma'am. I only have one, yes, sir. There's one setup that is not on the playbook for metals, but I'm making a metals playbook. If you guys want the NQ 8020 playbook, it's on 8020prop.com. That's a great question. When do you decide to let a trade run versus just a quick scalp? It just depends on the velocity of the move and the structure of the day. Like right now, I wouldn't let a trade run. For me, it makes no sense. When we're doing kind of this back and forth, I'll take my 15. I got the PDF 2 days ago. Let's go, baby. Hope you're enjoying it. A lot of setups on there that I take every day. Actually, every setup I take on there every day. That PDF is goated. Yes. I tried. I tried to, one, make the price affordable to anybody. Two, make it pretty condensed so you can just look at it, look at the screen, look at it, look at the screen. So hopefully you enjoy that. I got a lot of trade examples in there too. With explanations. Okay, fellas, let's see what the next 8 minutes brings. Again, we're kind of not really moving, but we are following the opening brief I told you guys in the morning, where we kind of swiped that high to 66. We rejected literally right off of it. And now, you know, the big magnet is a break of this NFP candle low and 37.5, because we have a repair there at 37.5. It doesn't mention 66 and 33 levels. Can you explain? Are they the same as 80-20? They are not the same. So 80-20 is going to be your bread and butter. Those are the setups I want new people to focus on, which is why I didn't put in, you know, the levels in between. Because if you start taking every single level in between, you're just going to get chopped up, because you guys don't have that edge focus yet. But in time, you'll notice on the stream, so you combine the PDF with the streams, and you'll be able to kind of make that judgment call yourself in time. Other members works on the PDF also. To design it, yeah, I had my really good friend Donor help me design it. He's a beast. So 80-20 is, let's do a little breakdown. 80-20 is going to be your bread and butter setup. Those are your levels you're going to watch for every single day. Then you're going to combine them with structure. So both of that is in the PDF. And then you're going to, with the streams, you'll get accustomed to the pseudo levels that let you have multiple entries in a day, so you're not just waiting for 80 and 20. Do you need to pay for your Discord? My Discord is not for sale. That's for people who I've personally invited. I don't want to do a paid Discord. For me, it makes no sense. I don't have the mental capacity to do 1,000 members and just every day it's the same question. So I'm very happy with the current setup. The PDF is for sale, so I put a lot of work into that. That basically gives you all my setups and reasoning behind them. But I'm not in the game. I'm in this to make money trading. I'm not in it to sell a Discord service and just baby everybody. That's not for me. Will you continue to add more advanced concepts later to the PDF? There will be added concepts to the PDF. But I think what I'll do is a version 1, so that'll be for beginners. A version 2, that'll be for people who bought the previous one, and then I'll just upgrade theirs. And then like a version 3 will be with medals and etc. So it's like a Super Saiyan jump every single time. The PDF is awesome. Thank you for making it available. Thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate that. There's a lot of effort put into that. Yeah, I saw your message, Barat. Enjoy the streams. How long have you been training for? I've been training for 8 years. 7 years. Not quite at 8 yet. Ever since I got out of high school. Thank you, one guy. My goal wasn't to be a freaking millionaire off the PDF. It's just an easy kind of gateway for new guys to get accustomed to my setups and the reasoning behind them. And I made the price point pretty affordable, I feel like, for everybody. Short 82 and covered, dude. Those, yeah, that. I'll tell you why that short. Why I would have taken that same short, Fred. This retest between these two candle crosses. Okay, That's heavy. I kind of want to take a long. Okay, dude. Let's go. If you're in that long, you can potentially hold it for this repair. Potential repair cleanup. W's in the chat, W's in the chat, W's in the chat. Let's go. That was freaking sick. Let's go, let's go. Let's see if we get that repair higher on the 200. No, sir, there is no wick. There is 0 wick there. I'll even zoom in for you. That is a 0 wick candle. So to me, that's a. So now we're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. We have this magnet to the downside, which is also NFP low, and then we have this magnet upside at 56. So now this is kind of where your hands off. You just let one or the other. Thanks, Los Pollos. Look at silver sell stop setup. Oh, let's see. Dude, I have $40,000 of profit in this account. Holy smokes. Yeah. Yeah, I could see that. Sell stop under 83.015. For sure. See that happening. Back to 19 Apex. Let's go. Let's go. I envy you, dude. I got 1 account left with them. 1 account and 17 rebuilds. That's my last last shot. And then I'm done. They got rid of me. They booted me. Okay, fellas, I'm gonna switch over to the Discord now. It's been 40 minutes. I appreciate it, everybody. Put a like in the YouTube. PDF is at 8020prop.com. If you ended up buying it, combine that with today's streams. Look over it. That'll be your homework. Really appreciate you. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Probably will. Okay, see ya.